Changing the deadbolt, it's pretty easy. Here's the top part of the deadbolt. This has an insert that inserts through, and then the inner portions here. I've already rekeyed the locks. You can see some videos on that if you want to. And this piece just passes through here, so it's got to be in the locked position in order to take it off. I'll show you on the door here. We're going to flip it to a locked portion so we can remove the screws, and they just pass straight through to the other side. So those are out, we can pull the whole thing out. Now this one, the little insert didn't come out on the other side. It's kind of set in place, so what I'm going to do is just remove this inner portion, and we'll just use the old one. So now you just got to line up the middle threaded. It's got a curve on top, so we need that up and pass it through. Okay. And then you can take your thumb latch mechanism, slip that over, and then we're going to pass the screws straight through. And just feel for the thread to start. You may have to peek at your front portion to make sure everything's lined up. Make sure nothing's cross-threaded. And you just tighten them nice and snug. You don't want to over-tighten them. Just nice and snug. That might be a little bit over tight. See how tough the feel is to move here. There we go. It moves much easier. And now we'll test it at the door front itself. There we go. And one thing you want to verify, this is a often missed step installing locks, is you want to verify that it latches all the way into place.